Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be talking about the most important feature that can transform your entire look, your eyebrows. Whether you love them bold or natural, I'll be sharing my step-by-step tutorial to create flawless and catchy brows that slays every time. The key to perfect brows starts with a clean canvas. First, I brush my brows upward using a spoolie to reveal their natural shape. This helped me to see where to fill and define. If you have unruly hairs, grab a pair of tweezers or a brow razor and clean up the area. Pro tip, don't overpluck. Follow your natural arc to avoid uneven brows. I also apply a little brow tamer. I'm using the Got2b gel. I love it because it keeps my brow looking polished all day without feeling stiff. Here is my quick hack for a perfect brows every time. Hold the pencil vertically from the side of your nose to find where your brow will start, then tilt it diagonally across your iris for the arc, and finally angle it towards the outer corner of your eyes for the tail. I'm using the Davies brow pencil in shade 03. I like it because it's a perfect match for my hair color. Start by outlining your brow. Start from the brow bone, then slightly trace underneath to define the shape. Then do the same on top, but keep it soft. No harsh lines, please. Focus on the tail of your brow for a more defined look. Pro tip, use a shade lighter at the front of your brows for a gradient effect. It keeps the look natural and fresh. Now it's time to fill in the gaps. Use short feather-like strokes to mimic your natural hair. Start with the middle and work your way outward. Remember, less is more. Build the intensity gradually. For the inner corners, I like to use a lighter hand to keep it and make it look soft. This gives that ombre effect that we all love on our brows. To make your brows pop, grab a small angled brush and a creamy concealer. Apply a thin line underneath and above your brows and blend it out with a sponge or your fingers. This helps cleanse up the edges and highlight your arc. It's like magic. I am using the Hush Beauty Angled Brush and the LA Girl Concealer in shade Frown. I really like it because it's very close to my skin tone, so it helped me to highlight my brows without me looking ashy. And there you have it, a flawless brows that will turn heads. I hope you love this tutorial as much as I love creating it. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe and like button. Let me know in the comment, are you team bold brows or natural brows? And don't forget to share with your besties who need perfect brow inspo. Bye.